love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
So this is the set I'll be using. I got it from a seller on Amazon. I will list the link in the description bar, but I will be able to cover all of the chakras using this because there are 15 different gemstones. They are pre-pierced, so they're beads that you can string on any kind of jewelry. This is Nymo nylon heavy duty beading thread. I found this on Amazon. Link will be in the description. This bulldog clip, I got them 6 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Starting with the root chakra, the root chakra is red, and for this the stones I used were between the red coral and red agate. This is the bead along spinner. This is the second time I've tried to use it. I'm still not good at it, but practice will make perfect. These barrel screw clasps I got from Amazon. Again, that will be linked down below. Your root chakra deals with your foundational needs, and that's why I like to start there. So anything to do with security, safety. Your root chakra is located in the base of your spine. Along with this waist bead, I'm going to be adding some clear crystals or clear beads to it. Also, clear and white is an amplifier, so anything you add it to is just going to increase that energy. Now that I am satisfied with the waist bead design, I'm gonna go ahead and close it with the barrel clasp. I have the video linked in the iCard, so if you want to see I guess a better version of how I close my waist beads with a barrel clasp, you can go ahead and watch those after watching this video. Now the root chakra also deals with the physical aspects of your body. It is located at the base of your spine, so it deals with your bones, your adrenal glands, your back, legs, feet, anus, and skin. If you are having problems with any one of those, it could be a sign that that chakra is blocked. The next chakra is your sacral chakra. I feel this is located around your belly button area. I would say just under in the womb section. This is dealing with your sexual passion, creativity, and abundance, just wealth overall. As far as the color, it is orange. Although all the chakras deal with healing in some level, I would say your main healing spot, this is just for me, would be your sacral space, and you can truly benefit by having a lot of healing stones in this area, such as sunstone, moonstone, tiger's eye, aventurine, citrine, chameleon. I'm using amber today. Amber technically isn't a crystal, but it does hold a lot of healing energy within it. Our solar plexus, this is our action chakra. It deals with personal power, self-esteem, communication, and balance of self. Solar plexus chakra is yellow. I'm using tiger's eye and citrine for this. You can also use sunstone. I did make a waist bead using sunstone, dealing with my yellow chakra. So yellow again is the confidence in us, it's personal power, so all of those energies are enhanced when wearing yellow on our waist beads. The solar plexus chakra is located in our stomach area, so where your ribs meet, that's where your solar plexus chakra is. That is also associated with your stomach, your gallbladder, spleen, liver, and your muscular system. So if you are having any issues in those areas, go ahead and get you some yellow waist beads. Just wear some yellow to unblock that chakra. Our heart chakra, I love This chakra deals with spiritual awareness, love, compassion, empathy. It does help when you are grieving, going through loss, as well as the green aventurine. It is a crystal that helps you deal with loss. This energy center is located in your chest where your heart is. The chakra is green. Now, if you are having a hard time with forgiveness, forgiving somebody, working with this waist bead is recommended. It also deals with your physical heart, lungs, and your circulatory system, your shoulders and upper back pains. If you're having any of those issues, it could be your heart chakra that's blocked. Your throat chakra, I talk. This deals with communication, self-expression, listening, and speaking. I'm using lapis lazuli. You can go ahead and use a lighter blue if you'd like. I just like this shade. Your throat chakra is located in your throat and it governs the mouth, jaw, neck, and throat. It also includes the thyroid glands. If you're having issues in any of those areas, you may want to look into unblocking that energy center. Lapis lazuli is a good communication stone. It helps you with spiritual connection as well as being able to listen clearly and speak up for you. I also really like the blue turquoise for this chakra. I didn't add it to these beads, but it does help deal with purification and help with creative problem solving. So it's a really nice bead to add, nice crystal to add to your beads. Next is the third eye chakra, which is IC. It is a indigo purple color. I'm using amethyst in my beads for this one. Now, the third eye chakra is in the center of your forehead, in between your eyes, your physical eyes. The third eye is dealing with your eyes, your head, and your brain. It deals with your pituitary gland, and it also is for mental clarity, wisdom, and your navigational system. It governs your intuition. The amethyst is a healing stone. It's calming. The third eye chakra is associated with the pineal gland in your brain, which is also known as the seat to the soul. Lastly is your crown chakra. I understand. It deals with enlightenment, spiritual connection, and awareness, and dealing with your higher self. This is clear quartz that I'm using. This chakra is often violet, which is another shade of purple. I decided to use clear quartz because it is a universal crystal. So you can use clear quartz as an enhancer, but you can also use it to replace any one of these chakras that you are working on if you don't actually have the color for them. Your crown chakra is at the top of your head, located where a crown would sit. Some say it isn't attached to our bodies, but just above. And even though our pineal gland is often connected to our third eye chakra, it is actually the crown chakra that governs that, along with our spinal cord, the brain stem, and the nervous system. Working with this chakra is recommended to anyone on their spiritual journey. So here we have them, the waist beads associated with each chakra. You can wear them one by one as you're working on each chakra, or if you want to wear them all at once, you can do that too. It's up to you. Show me some love by liking this video. Share the video if you found it informative, and subscribe for more. Until next time, lovelies.
It don't confuse me with somebody else, cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.